Hi, this is Jerry from Comfort again, here today to talk about the hopper window. What is a hopper window? A hopper window is a custom-made comfort window that specifically works in a basement situation, and most of the time they're installed in a concrete opening. Years ago they had wood windows that used to pull up from the inside. The hopper window pulls in from the top, and the reason for that is any rain that comes in drains completely to the outside. And a hopper window is great to have in a basement because if you want a little bit of cross ventilation every once in a while, you can open one on one side, one on the other. Helps dry your basement out. The hopper window can be custom sized. It can fit in virtually any opening, and it comes with a variety of glass available. You can do double glass. You can do double glass with low argon, which means it's energy efficient. And for people that have finished basements, you can do triple glass if you really want to save energy. And one of the most popular glass systems in the last few years is Comfort's quad shield glass, especially in a basement window because it's non-breakthrough. I mean, to take this metal bar and go like that on the glass. If that was regular glass, it would break. So the quad shield glass is really, really secure. And what else secures this window is the lever locks that pull the window in, okay? Rain gets to go right to the outside. When you want to close this window, these tabs go up inside the vinyl, but they're all reinforced tabs that are reinforced with metal. So these slots up here actually receive the levers, and this window is pretty darn secure. For safety reasons, people love the idea of being safe in their home. And a hopper window, if you think about it, when rain falls, ice falls, everything hits the basement window. You know, kids playing ball in the yard, kicking everything around, driving your grass cutter through with rocks. So the chance of anything penetrating a quad shield glass is pretty nil. The window can be energy efficient, custom built, very, very secure. And of course, it comes with Comfort's all-inclusive warranty because we do not subcontract labor. That's the hopper window.